Hey, good morning. Today we're just finishing up those closed questions from yesterday. So if you didn't get finished, you do need to go back and complete those. Make sure that you turn that in when you have that done. Um, for social studies today, we're going to work on vocabulary that we're going to see often in ancient Israel. So I'm going to post you some of those vocab words, and you just need to write a definition for it, look them up, and then after you write your definition, then use the word in a sentence, 8 words or more. Okay, that's about all that you will do remotely. Here at school, we're going to do a little bit more than that, but it's not something that you can do at home. So finish up your questions from yesterday. Any other work that you don't have done. I know one of you needs to finish the iStation test, so make sure you do that. There's a couple of you missing here and there things. You have some IXLs not done. ReadWorks, there's a ReadWorks for one of you that's not done on King Tut. Go back and look in the grade book, look and see what you're missing and work on those things, because you know the 16th is the last day to turn it in, and then it stays a 0. So anything you don't have done, let's work on that today. Do your vocab for social studies and then finish your questions if you didn't get finished yesterday. Okay? There is a video on hurricanes that you can watch, hurricanes in Jamaica. And toward the end, there is a brief shot of a person. You can see their legs. It's not gross or bloody or anything like that, but it is a shot of a person who must have died in the hurricane. So if that bothers you, please don't watch that. Or you just watch the first part and then shut it off if you want to. So that's posted too. So you'll be able to just see the violence of the hurricane to understand our story a little bit better about what it was like for those people who were huddled in that little schoolroom. Probably not made as well made as most of our houses are today. But if you have questions, email me throughout the day. I'm here at school probably till like 4 o'clock, so you can email me. I may not answer you after that. I'll try to glance at it tomorrow and see if you have anything I can help you with. But otherwise, have a good weekend and get caught up, okay? All right.